Now, Bridgegood helps students, job seekers, get hands-on skills in the digital design field while empowering businesses to build their online presence.
Executive Director Shaun is the pro with an eye for turning a passion into a career.
It's taking a raw artist, taking them to be a process-driven designer,